Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run Odoo on Docker. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the Docker Hub and I'm looking at this official Docker image for Odoo, which I do recommend you use. And this is the best way that you can run Odoo through Docker. So what you need to do is just get it from the Docker Hub and then you should be good to go. Now, for this, you're also going to need PostgreSQL, which is going to be running your database server so that you can use Odoo with it. Now, the way that you use it is the following. What you need to do is you first need to start a server on PostgreSQL, which is done with this here command in Docker, which is docker run de, and then all of these, command line arguments, I guess you could call them. And what is most important about this is the alias needs to be DB, and this is so that Odoo is able to connect to the Postgres server, and pretty much that's the only reason. So just make sure the alias is DB, and then you can run this command here to start an Odoo instance, just like that. And that is pretty much it. Other than that, you can stop and restart Odoo instances with docker stop Odoo or docker start -a Odoo, and that should be pretty much it. Now, what you should do if you're restarting a PostgreSQL server, you're also going to need to restart any instances that are linked to the server, since the server address changes and the link is going to be broken, and restarting that fixes it and allows those two to be linked again. Now you can also run multiple Odoo instances such as this, just using different names for the instance like so. And that's gonna pretty much enable you to run multiple ones if you want to. Of course, the port stays the same. However, you should change the address such as this. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to run Odoo on Docker. Now, you do have other sorts of information here. If you need it, you can do a couple of different things, and you can also upgrade this image using this command right over here. But for now, that's pretty much all that is needed. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.